Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Gohighlevel to set up Facebook lead ads, and you can directly integrate it. So at first you have to make sure that you have full access and then full ownership, and then all of the permissions are directly from your Facebook page, and then ad account check should be on, visibility should be on, and then leads access should be on. And you have to make sure once all of these are done, head over to your Gohighlevel, click on settings, and then at the bottom you see something like integrations. Once you click on it, you'll see something like this page where it will ask for Facebook or Instagram. So make sure you log in using the correct information, and then this will pop up. After that, once you click on it, you can easily head over to the integrations and then click on Facebook form fields mapping, and then the page is going to load from where you can do all of the work. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.